Hello guys, this is Ram Walker, and today we are going to be viewing Lenticular Dexter Hoover. So this one is number 71 from the 95 series. On the back it says, "Look for more of my friends" on the flyer inside, which is right here. So let's get this one open. So, curious to know, with these older ones, do you guys open the back or the front? Because I always tend to open the back. But yeah, let me know in the comments below about that. So here's the flyer. So it has lenticular alone, which I need. Lenticular lightning McQueen shovel, which I need. Lenticular Yeti, which I need. I have lenticular Jay Leno. I have lenticular Vroom. I need lenticular Chucky still. I need the lenticular Bling Bling Queen. I need lenticular Dinoco Chick Hicks. And on the back, I need the lenticular Boost. I have the lenticular DJ. I have the lenticular Wingo. I need the lenticular Lightning McQueen. I have the lenticular The King. I need the lenticular Nitro Wave. I need the lenticular Fabulous Hudson Hornet with headset. And I need the lenticular Fillmore with cans, or Race Team Fillmore. So let's get the die cast out. So here he is. He changes from an expression like this to here. And this is the green flag one, even though on the package it shows one with a yellow. My other ones are green Dexter Hoover. This is the regular version. I have checkered flag Dexter Hoover. And there is lenticular versions of all three too. And yellow flag Dexter Hoover, along with Cars 3's version, which I have right here, Chris Rovstovsky. They changed her body though, and this one has a white flag and a green flag. And Cars 2 version is this one, which I always tend to forget the name. And I don't have the flag with it either, though. So, guys, thank you for watching, and please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe.